Valley Ranch is a 40-year-old community, and with that we have all these beautiful trees that you see everywhere. And with trees comes very, very deep shade, and lawns do not grow in deep shade. Lawns need at least 5 hours of direct sunlight every day in order to be able to feed themselves. So if you don't have 5 hours of direct sunshine on your area, do not plant the lawn. You'd be wasting your money. Instead, plant ground covers. And we're going to take you through some ground cover examples that have worked very well for a long, long time in Valley Ranch. I'm standing right here on a beautiful bed of mondo grass. And mondo grass is very fine. This grass has been here for years. It never needs mowing. It's evergreen all year long, and it's real easy to maintain in the deep shade. I'm going to show you a second one over here. So a second ground cover that does really well is liriope. And liriope is a type of mondo, and you can see the beautiful little purple blooms that it has most of the summer. There's no mowing, it's evergreen, and once you plant it, you're done with it, and it looks beautiful. It's a little bit foot tall, but it makes beautiful ground cover all year. Our third recommendation is green winter creeper. And you can see here how nicely it covers. It's evergreen all year long. And all you have to do with this one is maybe once a quarter weed whack the tops so that it stays flat. But that's it. It will be evergreen all year long. And another one that looks very similar is our fourth recommendation. This is Asian jasmine, and it looks very similar to winter creeper. It's just a smaller, more refined little leaf, but you can see throughout all the greenery that you get from it. It's fully covered all year long. So my recommendation on these 4 types of ground covers is that you first remove any grass that you have or any weeds. Then you prepare the soil by adding a little bit of compost to the top. And then you plant it depending on the size of the pot that you get. It either comes in a flat of 4-inch pots. Those I suggest you plant every 8 inches. And then if you have a 1-gallon pot, then those you can plant like every foot. And that goes for all 4 of these ground covers that we've talked about. They will take about 3 years to fully cover your area. So make sure after you plant them that you mulch the area so that you avoid erosion in the time that they're growing. But in 2 to 3 years, you will end up with a full ground cover like this that is really pretty much a permanent solution. And at this point, you want to just keep it well watered at like 1.25 inches a week. Right. As you're thinking of your shady areas, ground cover is the first thing that comes to mind, but don't just limit yourself to the low ground covers we've talked about. You can cover areas of your shady yard with beautiful native shrubs. This one right here with these beautiful purple berries is called American Beautyberry, and this will feed the birds in the fall and winter. Behind it, over there, you will see the red blooms, and that will bloom all summer, and it's called Turk's Caps. And they grow to about shoulder height, but you can keep them trimmed a little bit lower if you wish, and it's a beautiful texture to add to your shady garden as well. All right, I don't want to forget mentioning a 5th option for ground cover, which is called frog fruit. It is a very cute native plant. It stays very low. It grows with a lot of water or very little water. It grows in the sun, it grows in the shade. It spreads and it blooms little white flowers. It is called frog fruit. It's a native, and it's a beautiful ground cover if you want a little bit more of a wild look. However, in the winter, it does go dormant, so you'll need to mow it once a year. But if you like natives, it comes back every year, and it's beautiful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.